Okay, this is the video tour of the huge boat. And it has every piece that we own. I don't know how to say it, but where it's like at an angle where you can put something on top of it. We have so many of those pieces and I used every single one, if you can tell what I mean. And so let's just start with the front of the boat with a covered area for the boat driver. There's an archway that leads back to the cabin. A lot of places to sit. And then different decks where you can look off the side of the boat or actually jump off. This place is for jumping off, and the other side was for just looking. But if you really want to go for it, you can go up the high dive. This was Todd's idea. The high dive to jump off the high dive. And actually this build started because Todd wanted to make a submarine. So here's the submarine. It docks right there. Place for a motorbike and a bike and somebody's wheelchair, and the engine room. And there's a ladder off the back. So the submarine has a place for a lady sitting back there. It's hard to see her. The driver's area. And so then the submarine goes right, just slides right like that. And let's see, a water blaster, some other shooters. I like this part. And whoopsie, that was the supplies for the diving. Whoopsie. Anyway, you get the idea. There's a tank. And like I said, a cover for the driver. There's a windshield. There he is. So that's the huge boat. Oh, and one more thing about it is I built the left and the right so that it's symmetrical as far as color matching. So when I would put one color on one side, I'd try to match the color on the other side, even though there's all kinds of colors. For the most part, it's totally matched from one side to the other. Oh, and then the bottom, you can't tell. It's probably hard, but I put these sliders so it'd be easy to slide around underneath. Okay, long enough movie.